Back at it again, low pro media year. That's all I gotta say. Facts, we lit. What is up, guys? Low pro media back at it again. Winter time. Y'all can see we haven't recorded. There's snow on the ground. Too much going on. So it's kind of cold. You know, no one really wants to be making a video in like -7-degree weather. So it's warming up a little bit today. I believe we're like somewhere in the 30s. So we're making a video right now for you guys, an install video. Cam is actually installing this new grill. I'm not gonna show you what it is yet on here. He's never used a tool before, so he doesn't know how to use a tool. And then the GLI, Uncle's GLI, which I'm gonna show y'all later. I got a special for y'all for that. Y'all ain't ready for that. He installed something for you guys on his own, so I'll show you that. Cam's cold air intake and that rear valve, which you guys haven't seen it.
The rear valve isn't right there, boy. It's at the bottom of the car.
Oh?
Chandler don't know what the fuck he's talking about.
I don't? He's right. I don't own a Volkswagen. I own a G35 with a broken bumper. I got into an accident, guys, on the G35. Someone hit me, and then I front end somebody. Well, rear end somebody, I guess you can say. Right, Jose?
I think so. Yeah.
I mean, it's broken. I mean, I have to replace the whole front end, new radiator support, everything.
I mean, look at it.
Yeah, man.
Even his headlights came out. It's
broken, bro.
It's just,
broken.
Chandler.
So sad. Oh no, the bumper came off. Chandler, you got into an accident?
Boy,
Torque TV, help him out, please.
Nah, JK.
Right, we gotta show him how to take off the bumper. Alright, so
how do you take off the bumper?
there are these. Well, we already took 2 of the screws out, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just gotta take those screws out.
Okay.
And
there's like some haggard garage lighting right now. Wow, you so torque it like a tech. This man has definitely done this before.
I haven't.
you gotta take this out in 2 seconds.
Go ahead, show him. Show him, Jose. Jose, aka Young Fat. Yep, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, he definitely beats his shit.
I'll use it in my left hand, that's why. I'm a righty.
Getaway. Alright, so what do you do, Cam? You just remove the grill now?
Let's see, so I was watching it. So this part's in this one's.
That's the thing, when in doubt, just wiggle it out.
It's like it's stuck in me.
Hold on. Hold on.
Looks like it's under the bumper.
Install video.
Y'all want to play in the garage or y'all good out there?
Uncle, you want to show him the bags? You want to show the people your bags?
You can see the bag?
Yeah, I know you want to show them your bag. Alright. Where you want to air it out? Yeah. Woo-wee. Look at you, all installed by yourself. Oh. Where's your little module at? Oh. Right in the center console, huh? Hey, you bagging it out again. Ooh, boy. Look at the... We got camber. Nah, we don't have camber. Not yet, but we're going. We're gonna have camber.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, it's a clip, right?
There we go.
We've never done this before, guys. No videos, nothing.
Hold that open. You guys are probably asking yourself right now, hey, they sound like TJ Hump. Or hey, they look like they've done this before. When in reality, we've never done this before.
Hold this real quick.
I've never done this before.
I quit.
I want to quit low pro media.
You can't now. What are you doing?
He's out.
Are they ready for this review?
No, I mean, you can clearly see it. It's an all black grill.
Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta do that?
It's all black, bro.
It's not all black.
It's not all black.
No.
What color is it?
It's I don't know.
It's all black. Nah, just kidding. It has chrome ends. Ah.
First cosmetic mod to the GTI.
Nah, this is the install right here.
That's the install.
This is the install right here.
That's the install.
This is gonna go slap down.
That's all we got. Top.
What is
Right
that,
there.
Cam?
baby.
What the fuck is that?
Top slow, baby.
All right, niggas.
That's a fan.
Yeah, that's a radiator.
I want to take off my my bumper.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Boosted.
All right.
Yeah,
How do we put it in?
Go.
Line it up.
It's upside down.
No, it's not. I'm playing with me like that, Jose.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. You gotta slide this in.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. Right there. Let me see. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
That boy, you ain't do this install. Jose did it for you.
Huh? I want to do it. Jose want to do it too.
Look at that boy's neck.
Yo, what happened to? Oh, it's right here. It's in my pocket.
Huh?
Your what?
It's in my pocket.
Yeah. Extensions. Like some of these girls have in the club.
Oh, Cam, you butterfinger.
Cam, you're an O.
Is somewhere around here. You found it, Cam. Oh my
Found
god.
it.
Oh my god.
At least it's not like the G. At least you can actually fit your head under your bumper.
Yeah, your bumper's off, bro. That sucks. Cut bumper, G35.
Cut
Yeah.
bumper.
Yo, Torque. First G35 with a cut bumper.
There's a lot of G35.
There's a lot.
Oh yeah.
He's mad as hell.
G35.
What? You heard it from him. Yeah, I didn't say shit.
It's not clipping in.
It doesn't have to be clipped in.
You think so?
Cam is gonna have OCD. For him, it has to be
No,
clipped in.
I will have two. I'm not gonna lie. It sounds like it has a clip though.
You look at the old one?
Yeah, the old one had.
The old one had. I think the old one had a clip at the bottom, right? Right here. Yeah.
Oh, the little tabs?
Just gotta force it in.
Yeah, sometimes it's popping.
Oh,
put it
can we
on?
hear it?
You put it on?
The only time you hit it when I drive, you like hard.
So you can't like do like a record do it?
Nah, you don't even hear it.
That shit's
Well, I wanna
done.
hear it.
Done.
Yeah, close it. A little bit, not because. Well, just close it. Don't really close it, but like enough so we can get an idea. Yeah, that's pretty tough. That's mean. It's fucking mean. I don't know any GTI that has
I
that.
think it's just a color scheme. Cause this is what that. No. It's just a lighter.
Yeah. It's pretty fucking weird. Let me see this blow off. Oh, wow. I didn't even have to look. It was right there.
A special edition.
So you gonna start it up so I can hear it? You just
I
gonna...
mean, I saw it up. I can't tell. You maybe can tell the difference. I'm on the roller.
You hear a lot more.
Yeah. Why be on it? Yeah. I was
Oh, like
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Sound like, I be just letting my feet off the gas. All the time, like,
I'm gonna be sitting there mad happy. I'm gonna be like, ha ha ha.
That's just like with an exhaust. When you have an exhaust, you an asshole when you have
That's
an
how you're
exhaust.
doing with my dad.
That's why I don't want to put no more money. I want to get my exhaust
Yeah.
next final week.
Cam, put that piece on the car.
What?
Cam, what piece is that?
Huh?
Why you, it's like that.
It goes like that, right?
Yeah, push it in.
How the hell you put it? Yeah, I'm right here.
I don't get how you put it in.
Let me see.
Makes no sense. Yo, check to see if you have something else there in the box.
Nothing else came in the box. Oh, unless
There's nothing in that.
nothing else came in it.
How much space is this table?
I'm confused.
I think you got coilovers.
Yo, guys, so we couldn't even put the hood notch on yet. The notch was a failure. Right here, we had to get the 3M tape. Had to go to AutoZone real quick. This could work wonders if you can't use zip ties. 3M tape, right, Chandler?
Back at it again, low pro media year. That's all I gotta say. Facts, we lit, and the G's
Racer.
the G's down, and the Acura's down.
Yo, we gotta show them what's going on with the G. We gotta show them what happened, guys. So, as you might have heard before, the G got into a really bad accident.
That's why I have to get the headlights done. I have to get everything done. I gotta get the bumper done. I gotta get the headlights done.
The headlights fell out when he got into the crash. You know, sometimes G35's headlights just pop out like some googly eyes.
I gotta get them done. The housing cracked, so I guess it's time for customs, right? YOLO.
It's time for a Q60. You heard it here first, guys. 2018 local media Chandler getting a Q60.
Shut it.
We're gonna get that monetization, nigga.
Y'all gonna get that nigga's Q60, dig? It's like I can't say that anymore. Y'all gonna get me that Q60, yerp. I'll make it black, just like the G, and I'll put the same exact rims, right?
Now you gotta get white so it's yin and yang, boy.
No, nigga, I want
yin
black.
and yang, boy.
How about the GTR deep metallic blue?
Oh.
How about the red? It's like, nah, I want the Neiman Marcus gold.
The Neiman Marcus gold.
Forgot it. You zoom in on my face, okay? You got slick.
Jose stay crying, yo.
Man.
Whoa, what the fuck? Don't, yo, take it off of me. Stop recording me, man. Stop it, Billy. Stop it. Stop it.
It got tight.
In the eyes of an angel.
Come on, bro. Don't be touching my... Dead?